IRCTC. What a week it has had. It's in a week where we have seen the stock being split. In the same week, you saw government issue a notification for sharing 50%, for taking away 50% of the concession fee. And then in 19 hours, the government doing a U-turn and withdrawing that notification. In the meanwhile, you had seen the IRCTC share price crash more than 25%. Joining us now is the IRCTC chairperson, Rajni Hasija. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us here on ET Now. It's
Very good
been
evening.
very action-packed, to put it very, very mildly. But now now the government has officially withdrawn the notification directing that it wanted to have the 50% of the fee earned from concessions as well as booking fee. Is this the final word? Is this never going to happen again? Because that's what the markets will want to know. एक बारी हो गया, दोबारी हो सकता है, दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है.
I may not be the right person to answer this, but the notification earlier issued has been withdrawn is the fact of the day. So it was there, but when we represented to our ministry and explained them the entire position about the market, about the work being done by IRCTC, the amount of revenue that would be required and expenditure would be done, the upgradation that requires certain revenue. So ministry was kind enough to consider the same. And of course, the sentiment of the market was also with us. So it really helped in getting back the revenue in the company again.
Yeah. Right. You know, ma'am, I was going
Yeah,
through
can you hear?
the upload, what has been sent to the Bombay Stock Exchange as well as the National Stock. Yes, I can hear you, ma'am. I was saying I was going through the notification sent to the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange, which actually showed that the government had sent this notification to you on October 27th. Now, having said that, I think what the markets will also want to know is about the normalization. Can you share anything about with us on that, the normalization of business that is taking place too?
The notification might have been issued, it was decided on 27th, but in IRCTC, it was received through mail on 28th. So we, within half an hour, so we framed our reporting to the stock exchanges the way we do normally. Within 1 hour, I think we were able to upload for the information of all the investors. You said the changes that we are doing, yes. COVID has brought many changes, and IRCTC is gradually coming up back in the tourism and also picking up very fast in the field of other areas. Our sales of the rail neer also picking up. Tourism, we are very doing very well. As of now, we are running our 7 trains in the mass tourism. So the COVID impact seems to be over, and we soon should be returning back, which you call normally normalization.
Right. So, ma'am, can you tell us more about this? IRCTC has, the share price has only been going up, up, up one direction. Last couple of days, it came under pressure. We've seen a stock split also. Now, the government move has been withdrawn as well. Um, why did the market start liking IRCTC so much? कुछ तो होगा, ma'am. आप क्या कुछ नया business करने वाले हैं? Like, did they have? Are you entering some new segments? Was it because of normalization trends?
IRCTC always had a resilient business model and continue to have. We not only work with the strength of the railways because we are an extended arm of railways and we carry the strength of Indian Railways all along. Whether it is the tourism field or the catering or the rail neer or internet ticketing, whatever we do, it is somehow linking. But at the same time, we work in the open market also, where we are competing with the unorganized sector also. We are into the air business also. We are doing the cruise tourism also. We are into the land tours also. We are now doing the hotel and the bus business also. So I think the resilient business model is the strength that IRCT has been carrying it along with, and we are open to the experimentation in the new setup of the environment. We are also operating our trains, 2 trains Tejas, which have now seen good light of the day because the bookings are gradually returning and we are getting the festival rush also. things are improving in the country as overall, and IRCTC is beneficiary of the vaccination happening because of the initiative of the government. So the good governance started from top, and IRCTC is taking all benefits of that and keeping the confidence of our travelers that it is safe to travel with the IRCTC, and attracting them, putting them safely on the train, carrying them and making them reach their destination safely is our motive, and we have been very successful. And the vaccination drive started by Government of India has really been very helpful in getting back everything.
Okay, ma'am, fair point. I was going through the IRCTC convenience fees share structure. Now, what I see, for example, is that pre 2014 it was 100 is to 0. 2014-15 it was 80-20 with the government. In 2015 it was 50-50. In November 2016 it was 100. Can you had the recent episode at least the big lesson for that being for IRCTC as well as for the government कि कोई ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए, कोई कुछ फॉर्मूला होना चाहिए, ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही एडहॉक ही है लग रहा है मैम.
देखिए, इस मामले में तो मैं कमेंट नहीं कर पाऊंगी, बिकॉज it has seen many turmoils and ups and downs. In 2017, 16, 17, it was withdrawn and digitization drive was there. So RCTC has participated in that and forgone that. So in 19, it started again. So at that time, before that, we were sharing that with Ministry of Railways, and it was decided that the no sharing would be done, and it is going to be taken by the IRCTC, and we happily parted a good amount of a share to promote the digital payments over happening over our website for booking of the railway tickets. So as of now, I am proud to inform to your channel that nearly 30% of the transaction on internet ticketing side is happening through UPI and RuPay. So our initiative in supporting the government payment system has been very successful, and this has been there. But what ends well is I think is to be considered. Thing has ended well. Our service charge and convenience in the form of a convenience fee is back with us, and we are able to retain the. We should be able to retain the confidence of market, traveler, as well as our investor.
मैम एक प्रश्न तो आपसे पूछना ही पड़ेगा मुझे कि आप कन्वीनियंस फी तो गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया चलो कोई नहीं शेयर करना है 50-50, वो विड्रॉ भी कर दिया. अब ये तो नहीं होगा कि आपको ज़्यादा डिविडेंड पे आउट करना पड़ेगा? वो तो रूल आउट नहीं हुआ है.
इस समय तो ये नहीं कहा जा सकता, बिकॉज डिविडेंड पे करने की कंडीशन अलग होती है मैडम. बिकॉज डिविडेंड पे करने के लिए आपको अच्छा करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. अगर आप प्रॉफिट अर्न करोगे तो क्यों नहीं. तो आवर ऑल इंटेंशन इज दैट वी शुड वर्क वेरी हार्ड to restore the confidence of the customer in us as well as investor. So our team is working very hard to bring back the tourism in the shape the way it was earlier, and catch hold of the revenge tourism what is happening in the country. We are getting good bookings in all the fields. We are doing new experiments in the deluxe segments. We have been very successful. Very soon, if everything turns out to be normal, so our luxury tourism will also be back. So we will be a gainer out of that also. So when our financial results improve, the investor is going to be gainer in any case.
Correct. And then the government with a 67% stake may enjoy a higher dividend. अभी तो मालूम नहीं कि आपका 30% होगा कितना होगा. Let's see how that happens at the end of the financial year. But ma'am, when you're talking of the rebound, आप कह रहे हैं आप experimentation कर रहे हैं luxury में, deluxe में, इसके बारे में आप हमको बता सकते हैं कुछ और? क्योंकि आजकल इन्वेस्टर्स को ये भी लगता है कि अगर उनको इफ दे वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी जिसके साथ कुछ डिजिटल इंटरफेस हो, कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म प्ले हो, वो आईआरसीटीसी के साथ है.
It is very difficult actually to comment upon that, but every company has its own strength or weaknesses. IRCTC has a very diversified business model. Our dependency on one segment is not there. We are taking help. Each and every segment is contributing to its growth. It is only a matter of a time. One segment is up, another segment is down. There was a time in 16, 17 and 17, 18 when just this convenience fee was not there. then catering had come to our rescue. So it has always been an upside, a debt-free company, and we have always been able to prove to our customer that we are there to provide services, and we continue to be in the hospitality segments. COVID pulled us back. COVID pulled entire hospitality industry to. I think it has affected us the most. So gradually, all things are taking shape, and we all are returning back. But as far as the investors is concerned, yes, they have their own viewpoint to examine a company while they invest. So it is better for them to think about that. But IRCTC will strive very hard to come back and bring back and restore the confidence of a customer in our stock.
मैम जब वो दिन हो रहे थे जब हम आईआरसीटीसी का प्राइस रोज देखते थे और बढ़ रहा है और बढ़ रहा है और बढ़ रहा है, चर्चा भी होती थी कि ये तो पी भी इतना हाई हो गया, एक्सपेंसिव हो गया, आप हैरान होती थी? व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन?
हैरान तो सब होते थे, जो सब होते हैं, तो हम भी नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग है। सो हैरान तो हम भी होते थे, बट कहीं ना कहीं हमें लगता था अच्छा हमारी स्ट्रेंथ इतनी है, तो जान के और खुशी होती थी और काम करने को मन करता। So it was very motivating for the team that people have so much trust in us. So let's work more and deliver more. That was the result.
मैम आप अभी केटरिंग की भी बात कर रहे थे, एंड यू नो कोविड हैपन। केटरिंग यू थिंक विल बिकम ऑपरेशनल इसी क्वार्टर में? रीओपनिंग तो अब हम देख रहे हैं, कि एयरलाइंस का बिजनेस ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, रेलवेज का भी बिजनेस ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, तो केटरिंग इसी क्वार्टर ऑपरेशनल हो जाएगा?
मैं इस मामले में कमेंट अभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी। इस मामले में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवे से एक अलग से नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। जब आएगा तो हम आपसे जरूर शेयर करेंगे। अभी जो भी काम हमें दिया गया है रेडी टू ईट की फॉर्म में, हम उसे बहुत भली भांति से कर रहे हैं। अब हम पूरी गाड़ियों में हम इंश्योर कर रहे हैं, उससे भी हम कुछ अच्छा रेवेन्यू पिछले बार से हमें उम्मीद है कि हम लोग कुछ अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि गाड़ियों की संख्या काफी बड़ी है। गाड़ियों की संख्या काफी बड़ी है। सो एग्जैक्ट क्या है, मैं अभी आपको जब हमारे एग्जैक्ट फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो आपसे जरूर शेयर करूंगी।
और मैम ये भी चर्चा हो रही थी क्रूजेस के बारे में कि आईआरसीटीसी विल आल्सो बी लेटिंग कंज्यूमर्स बुक फॉर क्रूजेस। एनी अपडेट ऑन दैट?
We have recently tied up with the Antara cruise and another ARC cruise, and one cruise in the Guwahati is also in the pipeline, and the day cruise in the Banaras is also in consideration, because the cruise liner tie-up is very different from the land tie-ups, because the law of the water laws are very different. So we have to be very careful while designing our contracts. So Antara के साथ हमने deal close कर ली है. They are available through in the B2B format, and the B2C format is going to be open soon. We are having integration with them, and we are also going to have API soon for the other cruises, so that customer can book the same in the B2C segment as well.
यू नो आपने जो बीएससी में जो अपलोड किया है मैम, उसमें ये भी लिखा गया है दैट द रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री हैज the notification says after consultation with the IRCTC. You also talked about how the market sentiment was in favor of IRCTC and the withdrawal of this decision. So once again, to just come back to the moot point, can you share with us going forward what the sharing could be of the convenience fee? Because so far it has been ad hoc.
When the decision was taken, we internally discussed, the management discussed internally, that we need money for the upgradation of the website. We have always been saying that this year we are going to spend this much on the capex and this much and upgradation of the, because Engage structure, when it was formed, it was in the year 2014-15 we designed, and it's almost 6 years down the line. We need to change many things. We need some money. We represented our case in a very supportive manner. Facts were in our favor, and ministry was kind enough to consider it the same. More than this, I cannot supplement anything, madam, because the result is good, and ministry has been kind enough to consider our proposal, our request, and they have rolled back their decision.
Absolutely, ma'am. In 19 hours, we've seen the government listen to you, listen to the markets, listen to the popular opinion out there, and take a and to roll back a decision in 19 hours. I don't think we very often see any sovereign government actually do that, but here's a government which did, and that move must be applauded. With that, ma'am, I'd like to thank you for joining us here live today on ET Now, as well as on ET Now Swadesh IRCTC. What a story it has been for the entire week.
Thank you. Thank you very much.